Hello and welcome back to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Andreja Premium by Quickmill. And what we did is we replaced the main controller on this machine. You can see this controller went bad. And now the new controller's in and the machine's working great. So let's go ahead and pour a shot. So we have a pretty good shot. It's a little fast, but I think I just need a little bit more coffee in there. And but still nice crema. And of course we didn't do anything with the pump or tune-up or anything like that. We just replaced the controller. Let's go ahead and test the steam. Steam's working great. And the hot water. Hot water is working great. So thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our video below if you'd like to see more videos like this. And have a happy holiday. Thank you.